Hi everybody! Kumusta kayong lahat? Our second day here in Benidorm, Spain. Ito yung pa-hotelin natin today. Ang bato nisang panisangkin, no? Ano siya? Jumpsuit. Tapos may belt siya na ganito. Ano ba natin? Pangkin yung kuhan ba may bato ni?
Yeah.
After ba? Hindi pa. Need di.
Oh, just
the bottom.
the buttons.
Guapa. The plastic style guapa.
Hmm?
Guapa.
Oh yeah. Tita Guapa. That was a store in Cebu
Yeah.
supermarket.
So, ganyan siya. I-belt natin siya.
So we're gonna have some breakfast.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Pero si Zach, hindi siya sanay na makita ako ng walang bangs. Sabi niya, mas bagay daw ako may bangs. Ano sa tingin nyo? Bangs. Baba na tayo. Naglagay ako ng yung cardigan na yellow kay malamig-lamig. So, yung dinala ko is dalawang jacket. Yung makapal tapos yung dito. Huh? No. Yeah, okay. Just get your bag. Little bag. Okay, din sa akin. Chuk. Wow, very kapugi. Christmas tree nila. Very pretty din. Gusto ko na ganito na Christmas tree na. Parang ganito ba? Na para siyang, hindi siya matatanggal. Plastic talaga. Tapos, very looks yung hotel nila kay may ATM. So, kung kailangan mo ng cash, may cash kasi hindi lahat dito tumatanggap ng card. So, may cash. Dami ko ng pimple. Tapos, nagdadag siya. Diyos ko. So, kung kailangan natin ng cash, magkuha tayo. Kaya lang, walang cash.
I think your definition of exploring is shopping.
Yeah, that also. Because that's my...
Hobby?
No, that's my stress-free. Oh. Kasi sa akin ba, minsan ako, no? Mahidik. Kaya lahat na itanong, magkain siya, magpunta ng CR, lahat. Kahit anong gawin niya. No, because you ask everything. If you go to the toilet, if you want to wear your clothes, if you want to wear your underwear, oh my God, everything.
I need your consent.
Yeah.
On almost everything.
Yeah. Lahat na lang, lahat. Itanong niya. Minsan, Diyos ko, napapagod din tayo. Eh. Oh, that's so nice, sir. Shopping street.
By the way,
Oh, that's better.
it's overcast and I'm afraid it will remain like this all day.
That's nice, no?
So that's why.
Yan the blue building. That's our hotel.
Yeah.
Very nice building, though. And, yeah. Tapos, pag alabas mo pa lang, ganyan na. May mga papit-papit. We need to show the papit.
Oh yeah.
Ganyan na yun ay. May mga papit-papit. It's so cute. Cute yung mga papapit nila. Who's my orange pa? Oh, it's a real orange.
Yeah.
That's nice. Tapos dyan may mga papit din. Ang cute. Papit daw sabi ni Saki. You look like a puppet. Dali na dong. Picture dong. Picture. Sige, post. Wow, kagwapo. Dali na. Oh, nice dito, no? Ganda maglakad. Pag gabi dito, ang ganda kasi yan, nagla-light ba? So, next time, baka bukas, pakita ko sa inyo no? In night time, it's very nice here, no? Oh, there's a store that's open. It wasn't open when we arrived. That store. And that one also. Because some store are not open like Saturday and Sunday. So, dito na street, walang sasakyan ba? Shopping street lang talaga. May Zara din dyan. Hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan. Tingin tayo, B. Pumpkin. Ikaher. Pasok tayo sa Zara. Ito. Super cute. Pang ba siya? Pang party. Extra small lang. Magtingin tayo ng size ko. Tingnan nyo ito. Very formal siya. Diba? Ang cute niya. Very formal ba? Tapos mag-stocking ka lang na hindi very makapal. I-try ko to, babe. Try natin. Tapos Saki ay, pumpkin, I would like to try this one. It looks like Christmas and sexy beach. Sexy.
Glittery.
Yeah. I-try ko to. Shopping street. Tapos yung mga babae ay maglihok-lihok yan. Doon ano yun yung beach. Pero ako magpunta doon. Kay malamig-lamig malapit sa beach. Pumpkin, by Hanir Kaiken. Walking. And then later we'll have a free lunch. That's why magpagutom si Saki. That's why you want to walk around. So you will be gutom. Oh. Let's continue, Doro. You're the explorer. Walking around in Benidorm.
Would you like to go to that street? We
What?
haven't been there yet.
No, we can't go there. So,
Or you want to take the... Yeah, this is the main shopping street.
yeah, whatever you like. I will follow you. Saki the explorer. Oh, I want to have a look here.
It's a good thing we went here.
Yeah. Next time we will go to Madrid. Masarap kasi yung Spanish na pagkain, no? Kasi kuan ba? Ang daming magkapareho sa atin sa Pinas. Paella, Valencia. Valencia is also very famous city. Magpunta din kami sa Valencia. We're going to Valencia, no? We're going to Valencia.
Well, that's the plan.
Yeah.
We still need to book it.
Yeah. Book it, baby.
If it falls, yeah, I would like to go there on Thursday.
Yeah, we'll go there. I have a look here. Tingin tayo dito. May mga sandal-sandal. May ganda sandal. Oh. Hola.
Hola.
This one pumpkin ba? It look like 50. Tingin tayo nito. So, nag-try ako nito kay ano ba? Yung heel ko. O, nabunggo siya yung heel natin. Maganda naman siya green. I love green. So, ito na siguro. Naka-shopping na tayo ng chinelas sa Saki. Ay, nangantay sa Saki. Daming restaurant dito. Pumpkin, I bought some slipper ba? Slipper.
Oh,
From outside.
Oh. Okay.
You want to have a
For
look?
me? Or for you?
Huh?
For me or for you?
For me.
Oh, yeah, then I want to have a look.
Yeah. Have a look. Now, because I don't want to wear always shoes, it will not go on my one.
Ah,
Look.
green ones.
Yeah, nice, right?
Yeah, I like the sole.
Yeah, they're not G's.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
nice, no?
Yeah.
It's not very expensive, G's.
No. 10.
10 euro.
Oh.
G's.
Not much.
The same man sa atin yung G's. Very nice yung building nila dito, no? Hindi kagaya ng pumunta kami sa Prague ba, no? In Prague, they have very nice building, no? Yeah. Yung modern. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Very nice, yeah. Nice, hero. Mga restaurant, mga tapas, kalami. Pero may libre naman kaming lunch yung masarap din doon. Tapas. Maganda dito pag gabi kaya very crowded, coziness. Wow, kalami silang gikaon. Uy, naglaway. Naglaway ka, Pumpkin? Naglaway ka? Patay ka lagyaw-yaw ba? Oh, tapas. Yan ang famous dito, no? Tapas. Oh, ham. Pili-pili tayo. Nagbili ako ng ano nila. Kulay, yellow na naman. €1.50. Sa Netherlands, tag €2. Dito yung makeup nila, tag €1.50 na din. Tingin-tingin kami dito. Namiss ako ba kasi yung perfume nila dito. Ito yung kasi yung perfume ko. Tapos, iti €90 na lang. Tapos, doon sa Leeuwarden, mga €100+. Tapos, yung 50 ml, €60. Baka magbili tayo niyan. Mura na. Magtingin ako ng iba pang perfume na mabango. Mura yung perfume nila dito. Lunch time na naman. Yung lunch na iba-iba yung lunch nila dito, no? Ano to siya, calamari, tapos gulay at broccoli potato. Tapos so, tingnan nyo yung pa-lunch nila. O, diba? Pumpkin, this is calamari, vegetarian, my beef. Tapos nandoon pa, ang dami. I don't want deer. Tapos yung pa-dessert, ang sarap ng dessert nila. I would like to try this one, pineapple. Kuha tayo. Tapos, kay fresh pa ba, walang tao. So, kuha tayo ang dessert. Kaya gusto ko magkuha. Ano pa ba? Wala pang tao. Para fresh na fresh. Tapos may fruits din kuha tayo. Tapos may pear sila. Pineapple. Wow. Mapusdi ka talaga dito ba? Walang diet. Uy, bahala na. Pagbalik na lang. Kuha tayo dyan. May salmon. Kuha tayo salmon. May sarap. Sarap siya sa salmon. Tapos, artichoke or sauce. Paella. Punta na tayo. Yummy. Ang sarap ng calamaris nila. Very soft. Perfect sa pagkaluto. Kain. Bus na ka sa akin.
Oh, this one. Good.
Calamari. You did one.
Huh? Right.
Yummy.
Full.
Yeah, full of love.
Satisfied. Contented.
Saki, pahuway na siya kay Grabe, kabusog namin. Nagsintipin ko ba na laglag dito yung ano. Ha, kabusog kami. Puro buyag lang. Naginan man ako ng weight. Wala kasi ano dito, timbangan. Sasarap kanin ng pagkain nila eh. Ano lang, siguro more than 10 yung pagpilian. Basta may dessert pa. Tapos, ang sarap ng mga dessert nila. Mahilig sila dito sa ano, mga leche plan. Kasi yung mga may ano may ano talaga ba? Taga every dessert may leche plan, ganyan. Nagbili ako nito eh. Kaya tutikan ko yung aking kuko. Kasi ang pangit. Tapos magchinilas ako. Okay, mag-alis kami. Maglakad na naman kami.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna walk around. That's all we do here.
Go outside.
Eat, sleep, walk around, and shit. Right?
Well, each day we have a very copious lunch, so I really need to exercise to try to lose some kilos.
Yeah, they are very good food.
It feels my belly is growing and growing.
Yeah, mine too.
I need to do a lot of walking.
No, you don't grow. I do.
Well, I do.
Explore na naman si Dora o Duro. Tapos, yung jacket ko, ano na to, makapal na kay malamig-lamig na paggabi, no? And the night time is colder.
You might need that one.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, you're even underdressed.
Ganda ng ano, Christmas tree nila. Real Christmas tree. Lucia Miguel na park yan ang park.
Very small park here.
Yeah.
Like a kermis, but not much is going on.
Yeah, have a look because you want to ride.
It's a bit outside the city center. And, I stumbled upon this by accident because I was just roaming around the area.
Yeah.
I love Benidorm.
Yeah. That's nice.
Small snowman.
Ang cute. Oh. Ang cute ng snowman. Oh. Ito pa, ang cute. Yeah, this one is so cute. Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of an amphitheater.
Yeah, something like that. Or you can sit and someone play, or I don't know. Oh, just have a look. Diyan. Dito kami supermarket lang. Tingin-tingin kami kung ano mabili ko. Tapos dalhin ko sa Netherlands. Ito ang sarap nito with almonds and pure chocolate. Pure chocolate. Dito din yun. Sarap to eh. Para siyang ano ba? toasted na mamon na may chocolate. Tapos macaron. Tapos ito siya may coconut. Masarap din to. Ang sarap no. Uy, pumpkin, this one also good. With coconut. Yung pineapple nila, laki. Tapos €1.30 lang. Mura na.
It does come from Costa Rica. Huh? It's not even from here.
The kasaba also. Mura yung kasaba nila. Gusto ko magtingin dito. Uy, pulburon ay pumpkin. You should try the pulburon. Oh, may pulburon sila. Oh, mantikada. Tapos ito, roso de. Hala, ang bango. Uy, pulburon. Pulburon. I would like to try some. Ito yun siya. Parang chocolate yata to. Oh, it's nice pumpkin because it's €4.95 per kilo. Oh, magpili ka lang kung anong gusto mo. Yung pizza nila ba, very nice pag paglagay kay makita mo talaga. Daming seafood. Oh. Mura yung seafood nila dito. Tingnan nyo. Kanya ang lalaki oh. Tapos dyan kay sarap. Pumpkin, you're drooling? Yeah, I think so. My goodness. Tingnan natin yung dito may inom ba. Martini lang naman lagi kong inom-nom, no? Rosy gin is cheaper also pumpkin now. €8. My God, you drool a lot here. Don't drool much. Don't drool ba. Tingnan nyo yung ham nila. Oh, grabe, ang laki. Oh. Tag €69. Ham. Ganito dito in night time. Oh, nagsiga na yung mga suga-suga. Mga suga. Yung nabili namin sa supermarket ay coconut water. Coconut water. Inumin ko yan mamaya para sa ating UTI. Hindi ko alam no kung may UTI pa ba ako. Wala na. Sana wala na ba. Kasi magka-UTI ka talaga ba? Kasi hindi ka talaga makaihi right away. Lalo na pag mag-alis-alis tapos wala ka makita agad na na maihian. Kasi kahiya man dito magpasok sa restaurant tapos mag-ihi lang. Kaya ang talaga dito UTI. May kilala din akong Pinay. UTI din yung niya. So, tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan. Naglalakad kami dito ngayon sa shopping street. Ang daming tao nagsha-shopping oh. Shopping pumpkin. Shopping going on here. Later I'm gonna look for souvenir. I'm gonna have a look here for souvenir. Diyan ang tinda niya damit tag €6 lang lahat talaga. Tingin kami souvenir. This one also are nice. Kay it's 90 for the money for the
Toaster.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, ganyan oh. Kita mo yung mga lights. So, pauwi na kami sa hotel.
Lining up to buy a lottery ticket.
Yeah, tara na. Pero mas maganda talaga no sa Germany ba pag Christmas kasi maganda yung nila Christmas market. Wala man silang dito Christmas market. Hindi kagaya sa Germany. Talaga sila ba? Maganda yung pa-decoration nila ba? No? It's not the same in Germany ba? They have Christmas village, market.
Like in Germany, they are really in a Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
This time of year.
Yeah. It's nice. Tapos, yan ang hotel namin ay Hotel Madeira. Oh, ang taas ng building. Makikita mo agad yung hotel na stayan namin. May mga palite na gandang tingnan. Mafe-feel na natin yung Christmas. Ang puno ba pumupula yung suga, no? Kabuyag lang. Dumaan man kami kayo na umaga dito pero walang light. Kaya maaga pa man ngayon, mga lighting na. Oh, the pumpkin that is new there. That one for the photo boat. This time of year, yung magta-travel talaga dito, ano ba, yung mga matatanda na. Kasi wala kang halos makikita ng mga bata dito. May mga edad na. Hasta din sa mga pag-lunch namin, pag-breakfast. Ang ganda, oh. Hawak kamay, oh. Hawak kamay, oh. Why? Hawak kamay. You're afraid to get lost?
I want to be sweet.
Ganda ng light. So, pasok na kami dyan. And I think that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching.
Thank you for watching.
We love you all.
See you tomorrow.
See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Here from Benidorm, Spain.
Yeah.
A lovely place, by the way. Especially for older people.
Oh,
That's true, right?
yeah. Bye. Ah, dali na. Naunsa naman akong kauban ay maragikigwa.
I thought you left me behind.
No.
Okay, so this is the lobby. It's a very spacious lobby, and
Yeah.
what I really like about this lobby is
Yeah. Like,
the couches.
it's like
You can sit very comfortably.
privacy. Yeah. Nice couch.
There's a nice bar over here. It's always crowded here.
Yeah. With
There's always people here drinking, chilling.